Projects are all around us, and wherever you look, they are underway. From manufacturing and construction to the latest computer software and cutting-edge equipment, teams deliver impressive projects on time and on budget every day. And it's thanks to project managers. As a discipline, modern project management is relatively young, but it's rapidly expanding. To meet worldwide demand, over 2 million new project management professionals will need to enter the field every year, with a total of 25 million needed by 2030 to support the global economy. Across industries, careers include project manager, project leader, project controller, scrum master, technical project manager, and program manager, where you manage multiple projects. As long as there are projects, there will be project managers. And as long as there are project managers, there will be the Masters in Project Management from Georgetown University. Our program will introduce you to traditional theoretical aspects of project management combined with agile and hybrid approaches. It integrates hands-on learning to ensure you can correctly apply the tools and techniques you learn in the classroom to real-world scenarios. Because projects are completed by and for people, you will develop what we call power skills: communication, problem solving, collaborative and ethical leadership, stakeholder management, and strategic thinking. So if your objective is to start or advance your career in project management, then your first task is to consider the Masters in Project Management from Georgetown University.